On this video, we will study how to cut a new key, as from a piece of picture. We'll finish this operation via 2m2tank CNC key cutting machine. First of all, connect the machine by Bluetooth. Click the Bluetooth switch. Here we'll click Search again. Click the Bluetooth number. Bluetooth is already connected. For instance, if you got a key picture from your customer like this, please save it into your phone. Enter Cut by Bidding. We'll all search GM18R over here. Select GM18R. Here is the guide picture of key installation. Depending on the guide picture, please install it. It's important to pay more attention to the details. The key has to be flat. If it's ready, please click Continue. Here, please click Camera. If you have pictures, click Album. Select the key picture. We have to enlarge the key picture. Let the key widths align with the edges of the frame. And pay attention to the red line position. This key has shoulders. Please enlarge more by this button. Lock the picture after aligning. Move every point to the edge of the key. If all is finished, please click OK. Key biddings appeared. Please click Cut. Continue. It'll take almost 40 seconds to cut this key.